What's up, guys, gals, and Book Nook pals? It's Pluck the Bunny, and clearly this is not a Book Nook, and this is not an unboxing, since this is a pinball machine, and it's already unboxed. But you can see right down here, it's made by ROKR, which is a sister company to Rolife, one of the big Book Nook manufacturers out there. And this is their new dinosaur pinball machine kit. That's right, this is a kit. You see it assembled here, but when you get it, it'll be unassembled for you to build yourself. This is a fully functioning pinball machine, and it is part of their new Kickstarter event, which is going live either by the time this video is posted or within the next 24 hours. Hours. So if we turn it around really quick, we see this really cool stuff on the back. We got some storage here for the balls themselves, and we have our power and sound switches right here. Okay, so if we plug in the USB-C cord, if we grab the right plug, we plug in our USB-C cord and then turn it on, you can hear the roar. Maybe shooting outside wasn't the best thing because it is loud and the colors are a little washed out. Let's see if we could travel in and see some of our features here. So we do have a fully lit board here. We have backlit elements here. We have one of those bouncy things that actually does bounce. We have our flippers here. You can see the flashing life lights here. This is where our score is going to be kept. We got cool spinning elements here. We got ramps. We got dinosaurs. We got a flashing light right up here. We got my dog barking in the background. But let's do it. So we got difficulty level on the back, so we're gonna set this to not difficult. All right, you hear that little beep, and then it's really this easy, guys. We pull it back, you see the ball automatically is ejected. You can hear it clinking in the back. Oh, we are playing pinball. Oh, it is hard to play pinball through your phone screen. So let's see if I can. Look at that, guys. Up and down the different ramps. I'll trap the ball just for a second, but we can see how the score is lighting up now. We have different score things here. We'll let the ball go. Alright. So we got some raptors up here breaking out of their cage. This tree here, we got the T-Rex breaking through the back. We got that biohazard warden there. Whoa, pterodactyl. Little map of the island there. The too late danger keep out sign. We got some lights that are broken up here, as well as the containment fence that has been broken out. All right. Oh, I didn't even notice this. We got some guys trying to, it's kind of washed out here, guys. Sorry, again, I probably shouldn't have decided to film this outside, and I'm sure my camera skills leave much to be desired. We do have some containment guys there, another keep out sign there. These kind of look like the gates to Jurassic Park. I mean, not Jurassic Park, to Dinosaur Lab, right? Some ROKR branding right there. And guys, this is really cool because a lot of times, right, we get these 3D models, we get these Book Nooks, you get even the typewriter, which is an awesome product by ROKR, the printing press, the globe, you know, all their cool things, the ships, the animals. And what do? You put it on a shelf and you admire it from time to time, but you're done with it, right? It's you've built it and you're done with it. The cool thing here is once you build this, now you have something to play. So if you like the mechanics of it, if you want a good value for your money, something, you know, a desk toy you'll have for a little while, Something to challenge your friends and family with. Oh, damn. This is a great, fun, multi-ball. Sure. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, lost that one. Put it on a little more difficulty. Oh. Well, that is really interesting, guys. These lights, not flashing in real life, in my eyes. The camera is actually synced up with, or it's out of sync with the hertz of the electricity. So you see blinking lights on all these, right? This looks like it's blinking to you, but it is not blinking to me. I don't know. I find that really cool. But anyway, guys, it's just 6 minutes of me playing 45 seconds of pinball. This is the new Dino pinball kit by ROKR. Kickstarter is either live or about to go live. Now's the time. It's like the bunny. Good looking. Good ducking.